Hi everyone, Melissa here from Creative Memories Home Office. Today we are going to create a layout using the Bookworm Collection. In addition to the collection, we are going to need a 12-inch trimmer, foam squares, a scissors, a tape runner, and repositionable adhesive. We are also going to use a piece of navy cardstock. We will begin by cutting the piece of navy cardstock to measure 11 inches by 11 inches. Next, we are going to cut a piece from the golden pattern paper to measure 10 inches by 10 inches. From different random pieces of pattern paper, we are going to cut a total of 9 squares to measure 3 inches by 3 inches. Now we are going to adhere the navy piece of cardstock to the top of the red patterned paper. Once you have that centered and adhered, we are going to adhere the yellow piece of paper that measures 10 by 10. Now we are going to lay out our 3-inch squares to the top of the yellow patterned paper. Once you have these squares where desired, you can adhere them using your tape runner. You are going to print 6 photos that measure 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. You are going to adhere these to the tops of the squares randomly. To embellish your layout, you can use bookworm embellishments and stickers. Use foam squares to layer your embellishments and stickers for added dimension. To complete your layout, you can add enamel shapes and journal as desired. We would love to see your layout on social media using #Creative Memories.